Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review or watch video. Today I've got something a little bit different. I don't know if you guys remembered from my other videos that I had this Magnum PI Chronosport Quartz 30 that has now been rebranded as the Momentum Quartz 30, but it was the original watch that Tom Selleck wore in Magnum PI before he changed over to the Rolex. I think he changed over to the Rolex Pepsi design. Um, but anyhow, I had picked up this nice original Chronosport Quartz 30. Um, and what I want to do is I had put a temporary band on it. It was a real cheap quality band. Well, I decided which kind of band I wanted to get, and I ended up picking up this black one with the it's got like a little dot pattern on it. So I'm actually going to change that out today. But I also did notice that there's something wrong with the watch itself, and it's kind of disappointing to me. But it's basically the time. I replaced the battery on it, but it seems you can kind of see it. It's a time is ticking very, very slowly on it. And I'm going to actually at some point pop open the back and take a look at this and see if there's anything I can do to help it out. Because I really would like this watch to work. To see how long it takes for the second hand to tick. It's taking a very, very long time. It's probably ticking once every 10 to 15 seconds. Let's see if it'll do it there again. See how it's ticking very, very slowly. So if any watch repair guys out there know anything about how to repair this, that would be awesome if you guys could chime in the comments section and help me out with that, because I'll do what I need to do to fix it. You know, at this point, I mean, I would just love to have this watch to be wearable and workable. It's a nice looking watch, and you know, I'd like to keep it original, and I'd avoid having to change out the insides if I don't have to. But if any of you guys know if it's some sort of a, you know, something to do with the, you know, a capacitor or something that can be replaced inside, um, I'll definitely take it apart and take a look at it. But I don't want to just replace the insides of it. I'd like it to be original. But anyhow, that's another video. What I want to do is actually it's a simple video. I'm just going to pop off the band that's on it. I'm going to replace it with this new band. But anyhow, I'm Dave the Watchman, and if you like this content, please do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because I will keep this content coming to you. I'm constantly reviewing watches that I get in. I get watches in every single day, and always reviewing all types of different watches, but I mainly focus on the luxury homage watches that are in the budget-friendly price range, because I believe that you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. But every once in a while I do get a cool watch like this that I review, and I will take some time and do some videos on these cool watches as well. I will post a link to the updated model, the rebranding of this watch, if you're interested in it. Like I said, it does have some really cool history as far as the Magnum PI connection. They have rebranded, and I will post a link. I have it on I actually posted the link earlier, and it's an Amazon affiliate link. It's on my website, themselves.To, and I'll also post that same link to this watch, the rebranding of this watch, the Momentum Quartz 30, in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick one of those up for yourself. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get into this. All I'm going to do in this video is I'm basically just going to show you how to pop off the band and replace it with another band. And I'll also post a link to this toolkit that I have here that I also purchased on Amazon. It makes working on watches so much easier, because you got basically everything you need to work on your watch. It even comes with extra pins and things like that, so in case you lose some. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's pop this band off. It's a pretty simple job, especially if you have the tool that came with this kit. All you need to do is reach in there, pop the spring off, and same thing on the other side. But you do have to kind of watch, because I've actually stabbed myself in the finger a couple of times with this thing by keeping my finger behind it. So there we go. So now they're both out, and this is just a cheap quality band that I just threw on it to be temporary, because when I received the watch, it was basically just the case. So let's get into this. All right, so yeah, see, it's basically a it's a rubberized strap with a little bit of a texture on it. I kind of thought it would make this thing look cool, especially with all the, you know, all the holes in it. It just looks like a cool looking band that I think will go really, really nicely on this style of a watch. So basically, just to install it, you just pop in that little pin in the hole, and just grab this little tool here and compress. Sometimes you can actually even just use your fingernail on that, but basically that's it. You just kind of pop it in there, and do the same thing on this side. And there we go. And that's that. That's replaced. It's good to go. Beautiful band. I think goes well with this watch. Looks nice for this design. Let me know what you guys think in the description below. And like I said, if anybody knows anything about the inside movements inside of these old Chronosport watches, please let me know if you have any ideas on what I need to do to fix that. Like I said, I did change the battery out, but it is ticking at an extremely slow rate, and I'm not sure if that's due to any type of water damage or rust, or it didn't look too bad on the inside, but it is ticking extremely, extremely slow. So if any of you guys know anything about how to repair that, let me know. And other than that, if you guys like this content, please make sure you do give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thumbs ups always help, and I love to see the comments and everything. You guys are, you know, helping me grow this channel from the ground up. I couldn't do it without you. I have over 200 subscribers, and I'm only 2 months old, and I think that is great. I am very thankful that you guys like the content and you want me to keep it coming. And head on over to themselves.To, and I will have all the watches that I review posted on themselves.To, and there's also a link to this one on themselves.To as well. So again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video. You guys have a great day today.